Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the explanation of the chapter tense. So, we have done the structure of tense and now we are doing the uses of tenses. So, we have done simple present tense, present continuous tense, and today we are doing present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous is also known as progressive tense. So these are the two tenses that I have tried to explain here. So we will just try to explain at least 3 or 4 tenses, okay? But actually some of you are doing some pending works, so I have explained today only 2 tenses. So you please see that how present perfect tense is used and what are the expression that we can express in this tense. The structure you are familiar with: present perfect tense, subjects plus has oblique have plus V3 means third form of the verb and then object. The question is where has is used and where have is used. So has is used with all the singular subjects, has, 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 and have is used with all the plural subjects like they have, we have, and singular subject she has, Ravi has. So these are the uses of has and have. I and you being singular, they take have. This is the exception. I have, you have, they are used in singular form, but they take have form. So this is the exception. So present perfect tense. Now see in which situation this tense is used to express. Okay, see what use of present perfect tense to express an action that has been recently completed, like I have completed my homework. Got it? She has done her assignment. So this particular tense is used when something has recently completed, just finished. See examples: he had just left the place, just now, recently happened. Our team has won the match recently. She has finished her homework recently. Okay, very short time has passed. So these tense are used in these cases. Now we have the second use for past actions whose time is not given. This tense is also used to express past action when time is not given. If there is no time given there, it is the past, and if it is given there, then it is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so when time is not given there, the situation will be explained uh, past in present perfect tense. Example is he has been to Agra. Or when time is not given, I has been there. Okay, so these are the example. He has she cooked the lunch, time is not given there. So generally in this case we use present perfect tense. I have met him before, when time is not given there. So in that case we use present perfect. Expression number third, use number third, this is very much important. Just is when just is used, we use has and have with adverbs like already, often, recently, and yet. These are the adverbs generally we use present perfect tense. Okay, I have already read this novel. It is read, read, but actually it will be read like read. Read, 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 read. So this is the V3 form. He has recently met the prime minister. So this is the use of adverb here, recently. I have recently completed my homework. She has recently played the football. I have recently seen the football match. So these are the uses of adverbs, and in these adverbs we use has and have. So you will write some sentences using uh, adverbs like this. I have not given examples on it, and fill in the blanks or exercises. I have simply given you just write some sentences using recently, yet, like, already, often, just, and with the expression that we have. Expression number, use number 4. Now you please see. For an action which began in the past and is still continuing. Yes, this is a very important use. If something has started in the past tense and is still continuing, so here we use, present perfect tense. Like, they have lived in this city for a long time. So this is the use of, present perfect tense. He has been ill since Tuesday. So this is the present perfect, means he was ill, okay, yesterday, and he is ill today also. So this kind of expression is used in present perfect tense. This is very much important use. One more use of their present perfect continuous tense that we'll come to know later. So after this we have present perfect tense. So present perfect tense is, now see, the present perfect continuous tense is also known as the present perfect progressive tense. Okay, why? Because the action is in progress, so that's why its name is progressive, and the same meaning is continuous. The action is continue, so that's why its name is continuous. So the best use of present perfect continuous tense is to express an action which began at some time in the past and is still continue. Best example, I have been teaching in Usha Martin World School. So from past I was teaching and in present I am teaching. So this is the best use of present perfect continuous tense. When something has started in past and still in progress, still the action is continued. So in this case, we use present perfect continuous tense. This is the best use and one and the last use of this. Okay. Some more uses I have written there, but this is the first use, okay, and very important use. There, when I will teach you past perfect continuous tense. So there I will differentiate the meaning between past perfect continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Now see the example. Present perfect continuous tense. She has been reading in Usha Martin World School for 3 years. It means she is reading, okay, in Usha Martin World School from past 3 years, okay, and still she continue, मीन्स पहले से पढ़ रही थी और अभी भी पढ़ रही है. So this is the meaning of present perfect continuous tense. Same sentence I am changing, okay. In past perfect continuous tense, she had been reading for 3 years in Usha Martin World School. Yeah, she had been reading in Usha Martin World School for 3 years. So this is the past perfect continuous tense. It shows that she was reading, but now she is not. Means now the action has stopped, means the event or the action was of the past tense. So this is the small difference. Okay, there I will just give the set of questions from present perfect continuous tense and then past perfect continuous tense. The things will be clear. So this is the basic use I have tried to explain. You will just listen, watch the video clip, listen them, okay, and try to write down sentences, at least 2 sentences from the use number first to express an action. You write down use number first to express an action and write down 2 sentences. Just I have written, he has just left the place, our team has won the match. Similarly, you will write 2 sentences, okay, like the uses of recently completed, I have completed my homework, got it. I have bathed. I have taken my lunch recently. So this kind of sentence, a new sentence you write down. Okay, use number second. Once again you write down use number second. Past action which time is not given. I have been Delhi means I was there, but time was not given there. So in that case, we'll use present perfect. So you write down at least two sentences. Adverbs, we have 4 adverbs. Okay, here adverbs like already, often, recently, and yet. You will write at least 4 sentences from each one. Already, like I have already read this novel. In place of this, you write down I have already completed my homework. I have already submitted my homework. I have already played football. I have already taken my lunch. So this kind of sentence you write down there. Question number second, with often. He has recently met the Prime Minister. Recently, with the use of recently. She has often come here. She often, uh, she has often come here. So this kind of sentence you write. Recently, now see the use of recently. He has recently met the Prime Minister. Recently purchased the clothes from PNA Mall. Like this kind of sentence you write. Recently. She has not replied to my letter yet. I have completed my homework, but not said yet. Okay. So in this kind of sentence, you write down with yet, already, and recently. The next use you have like action which began in the past and is still continuing. They have lived in the city for a long time. He has been ill since Tuesday. I have been working on this project. I have been working in this project. Time is not given. I have been prepared. I have prepared my homework assignment. Means time is not given. I have always helped him. She has always helped me. So this kind of sentences you write down. Okay, and from the use of present perfect continuous or progressive sentence, you write down at least 5 sentences from this tense. That it has been raining since morning. It was raining and still it is raining there. So use, write down present perfect continuous tense. These 5 sentences from here. So 4 or 5 sentences from there. Okay, 6 sentences or 4 sentences from this one. So you'll do this one. Okay, and from next class I will try to just explain all the past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. One more class I will take, 2 more classes I will take, and just finish this chapter. uh, when I will explain past tense means present, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. So there I will just give after this I will give you edit the passage or fill in the blanks type questions so that you could just use them. Okay, thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.